Hey everybody, I'm Veljko and welcome to another Peugeot 207 video. Now in this video I'm not going to be installing any modification, but I'm going to be fixing something about my bucket seats that I bought separately, because for those of you who don't know, you can watch the video. My Peugeot didn't come with the bucket seats, even though it's a GTI, so I had to go all the way to Hungary and bought them separately. So I'm going to show you now. I wish I can film outside so I can show you better, but it's so windy that I just can't. The rear seats are very worn out. Of course, you can't see it right now, but it's been annoying to me ever since I bought the seats. The previous owner of these seats, they had kids that were moving their legs and being very naughty. So I started doing research on how and can I remove those lints from the seat that are worn out, and I found videos where people were using a sandpaper to like rub it off. Although it did appear to work, I don't want to destroy my seats. They are not in that bad condition to do that. There were some other crazy ideas that I forgot, but I found the best solution, and that is this lint remover. Now this is originally for clothes, to remove the worn out clothes that also has lint. But I saw a few videos on YouTube where people use this to clean the worn out Alcantara, and it worked pretty fine. Wish me luck that this is gonna work. By the way, the price for these are, you can find them for around 10 euros, 7 euros, 20 euros. It depends on the quality. I bought mine for 7 euros, which is a pretty good deal. Like if I solve the issue for 7 euros, then it's a win. So yeah, let's test it. But before the test, I want to show you how this thing works. So there's blades behind this metal cover that goes in circles and cuts everything that goes through these holes. And it goes all the way to this compartment here. You'll see later it's gonna be filled out with fluff and things inside. So this is how you turn on. All right, it's all set, so I'm gonna show you one last time before I do it. This is how it looks like. So let's start. You can hear it cutting. As you can see, it's so much better, and it's been only, what, 30 seconds? So let's continue. All right, let's see what we did. So remember, the edges were so bad, but now they look better. I mean, way better. And because it has this cover, don't worry, you're not gonna damage your seats. Now onto the driver's seat. Of course it's gonna be worn out here, because when the person gets in and out of the car, it rubs this part a little bit. And I placed the camera there so you can see before and after. So let's start shaving. And there you go. Again, it didn't eliminate completely, but it looks way better now than before. A bit more. And there you go. It's so much better. I'll show you before and after how it looked. Some of these lint remover devices are working on AA batteries, and some are like mine where you charge them, and I don't know how much they last. I didn't even test. This is my first time use. And you can see here in the compartment there's all the Alcantara bits, worn out bits that I cut. So it's a pretty good job. Like, it fixes the issue for such a small amount of money, and everybody can do it, and it's so quick and easy. In case you still don't believe me, I came home and I took this part of the seat, which is even worse than the other one at the back, and I'm gonna put this here to just show you the difference of before and after. I'm gonna turn on the flashlight because you can see it way better. And I'm gonna do this side. Okay. Maybe on camera you can't see the difference, but in person it's so much better and so much smoother here than here. Okay, look at this surface and this surface. Way different. The edges of the seat where it's in the worst condition, that's where you can see the difference clearly. So here and here. Pretty cool stuff. I didn't even know that this existed. And I hope I helped some of you with the worn out seats. This thing is a really cheap solution for that problem that eliminates 90% of that worn out look. So yeah, that is it for this video, and take care.